Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from iPassport. This is their mini wireless Bluetooth keyboard that you can check out on Amazon at the time of this review for about $24. I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. Now, this is a really cool device that will work with Amazon Fire Sticks or Apple TV or just your smart TV. If you want to have a keyboard function added to it via Bluetooth, this will do it for you. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at the parameters on the back. If you need to check out anything, you can go to www.ipassport.com. I'll have that link in the description below, but you can see it's a Bluetooth connection here. It's 6 by 1 by 1.8 by 0.6 inches. Only weighs 0.2 pounds, super lightweight. So overall, that's what you're going to get as far as specifications go. And again, you can check out their website for more information. So let's take a look at the user manual. It is written in English and it's well laid out, not micro print, so you shouldn't have too hard of a time getting any information that I might miss during this review. This is a backlit keyboard, which is really nice. I like to see that. It does run on Bluetooth again, older version of Bluetooth, but I had no connection issues whatsoever. It is rechargeable. You do get a recharge cable here, and this cable is going to be a standard USB to micro USB recharge cable. Now you can plug this into any laptop or PC's USB port to recharge this, and it took me about an hour and a half to fully recharge it. But then again, it's Bluetooth. It's not going to be something that you're going to be charging more than maybe once a month or even longer. If you don't want to plug it into your PC, of course, you can always use your AC to USB adapter, and that'll work just fine for recharging. Now, they do give you two things here, and these are silicone cases, and these will be for either the Fire Stick or the Fire TV Stick Lite, or your 4K Max, Fire TV Cube. If you have any of those devices, you're going to be able to hold them on the opposite side with the silicone case. So that's a nice addition if you use those devices. I don't have either one of those. I'm going to be using this on my LG C1 OLED and its built-in native apps towards the end of the video, just to show you how well this works. Okay, so let's take a look at the remote itself. It's a nice slim design, full QWERTY keyboard here. You do have all your multimedia keys on the right-hand side with a power button or switch up top that you can switch on very simply and very easily to conserve power. You can shut it off if you're not using it. But even using it, again, this is something that you're not going to have to recharge that often. Does have backlit keys and all of your multimedia keys here on the right hand side, so that is convenient. You can see the backlighting is decent. It's not a full array backlighting. Obviously there's going to be some spots that are a little brighter, but overall it illuminates all keys enough for me to see what I'm doing in a nighttime environment. Now, to set this up, obviously you have some blue keys there. You can use your function button down at the bottom, and you see right next to the function button is your setup here for Bluetooth. So to pair this, initially you're going to want to hold down the function and the shift key until it starts blinking blue, and now you are in pairing mode. So we're going to pair this up to my C1 OLED and show you guys how it works with a service like Disney Plus. Okay, so here we are with my 48-inch C1 OLED in the Disney Plus application, the native app, and what we're going to do is we're going to put the remote into pairing mode, and then on my C1 OLED, this is a pretty easy process. We just go into settings or all settings, and then we go into general, and then devices, and then external devices for Bluetooth devices. So it pops right up as the iPassport Bluetooth, so we'll click on that. And now we are paired and ready to go. Now there are a few applications that they say this has problems working with. Hulu and HBO Macs are going to be the ones that they say. I haven't tested either one of those, but every other application that I've tested, obviously Disney Plus works no problems. Stuff like Vudu and a few other ones as well that I've tested have all worked great. So let's go to the search function here. And we'll turn on the blue or the backlight for this as well. But you can see that once I start typing, it'll automatically fill the search page. This is so much easier than actually using the remote to click on each individual letter. So let's turn on the backlight so you can see that in action. And let's search for something specific like, say, Doctor Strange. Much faster and easier searching this way than it is hunting and pecking each individual letter with the included remote for my TV. So overall, just really nice, really easy, works very well. Okay, so there you go. That's my review of the iPassport Mini Bluetooth backlit keyboard. Again, you can check it out on Amazon at the time of this review for $24.99. I'll have that link in the description below. If you are someone that uses a Fire Stick or a Fire TV, the Fire Cube, any of those, you're going to be really set up with the silicone cases that come involved with this as well, or come with the product as well. Since I don't have that product, I was fine with just the keyboard itself, and it worked great with my LG C1 OLED. I like that it's backlit, I like that it is rechargeable, and I like that it has media keys built into it. If you guys have any questions about this product, please leave them in the comment section below, or remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.